Hey guys and gals, it's me George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. We're on our way to the scrapyard, and this crossing happens to be just across this crossing is where the scrapyard is. Those buildings in the background over there, they're the scrapyard. So we have to go through this crossing, and they're picking up and dropping off different cars. And you can see the young man and young lady over here. Those are what are called conductors. Not like the conductors we think of with passenger trains, but they are called conductors nevertheless. And they're the ones responsible for making sure the connections are made and things are ready to move, and flipping switches and all of that kind of stuff. And they have communication back and forth with the engineer. You can see that young fella just hooked up the air lines between those two cars. Of course, most of you are aware that the big covered cars here are coil cars. They have coiled up steel stock inside, or these may be empties actually. And of course the flatbeds are used here for hauling large sheets of flat steel stock. And I'm amazed at how what appears to be the small loads that go on these. They may be only stacked, a couple of feet high, and that's it. And you can see several cars like that. These are all empties, getting ready to pull them out. Yeah, it just goes to show you how heavy sheet steel is, especially when you get up into 1/2 inch thick, 3/4 inch thick, 1 inch thick and more. So thought you might find that interesting. Can't show you the engine because he's down around the corner over there, out on the sideline. We're just sitting here waiting to get through. Hopefully it won't be too long a wait. Here's one of these flat cars with a flat steel stock on it. And you can see it's not stacked very high, but you can also see how thick that steel is. And of course, if we go down here, you can see the piles of scrap steel, and those piles of scrap steel will end up getting loaded into these gondolas here. So this rail here goes all the way down in the far back. That's the steel mill back there, and that's where they deliver stuff. And then when they come back along, they drop these gondolas to get loaded here at the scrap yard, which is where I'm headed. So till next time, this is George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, rail fanning at the railroad crossing. Bye now.